Good morning, Chasm listeners. This is Candace Teigland from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report for Saturday, February 11th. Have you listened outside lately to the birds singing a different tune? Chances are they are telling us that they too have noticed daylight is increasing, and that is exciting news. With increasing daylight means spring is just around the corner. With the thought of spring, does planting trees come to mind? If you're wanting to plant trees for the spring, now is the time to buy your trees from the SWCD. We still currently have a good variety of trees available to purchase on our tree sale store online. On our website, it will show all the available quantities of trees that remain in our store. Many of the available species have limited quantities. Ordering your trees through our online store is the fastest and most convenient way to purchase trees for this year. If you would like to visit our office to purchase trees using cash or check, remember that our building's new main entrance is located on the south side of the building. Thinking of spring, did you know that the Stearns County rainfall data is collected by a group of volunteers scattered across the county? The volunteers make it possible to have the collected data for the State Climatology Office to see which areas across the county, and for that matter, across the state, and where precipitation has occurred. The Volunteer Observation Network program monitors and records data on a daily basis if any measurements of precipitation has occurred. Here in Stearns County, we are currently looking for volunteers from any of the following townships: Ashley, Crow Lake, Crow River, Eden Lake, Getty, Lake George, Lake Henry, Luxembourg, Main Prairie, Melrose, Millwood, North Fork, Oak, Painesville, Sauk Center, and Zion. The western edge of Stearns County is in the most need of a volunteer. If becoming a volunteer for monitoring precipitation sounds interesting, please give us a call or check out our website for more information. Did you hear about the small grain workshop that is happening in Stearns County? On Wednesday, February 22nd, the University of Minnesota Extension is offering a small grain workshop in Cold Spring at the Great Blue Heron Restaurant starting at 9 a.m. The workshop will focus on production agronomics, variety selection, and economics, and will include an open forum discussion for related topics along with an on-farm experiences. Register for free by visiting z.umn.edu/grain update or by calling the local contacts for the workshop. The registration deadline is February 20th. You can also find this link to this workshop on the Stearns SWCD website's calendar. For more information, please visit our website at stearnscountyswcd.net. Thanks for listening and have a great day.